In part 3 says that the function g is defined by g of x 6x minus x square minus 5 for x greater than or equals to k. We have to express x 6x minus x square minus 5 in the form a minus x minus b whole squared. Now to convert this into the form, we can use completing the square method or the comparison method. So the original expression is 6x minus x squared minus 5, and we have to convert it to the form a minus x minus b whole squared. So if I use the comparison method, I will simply expand the expression. So this will become x squared minus 2bx plus b squared. And this will become a minus x squared plus 2bx minus b squared. So we can write it as minus x squared plus 2bx minus b squared plus a. Now comparing it with the original expression, the term with x is 6 and over here the term with x is 2b. So we can say that 2b will be is equals to 6, which means b is equals to positive 3. And minus b squared plus a is a constant over here. And on this side we have negative 5. So we will equate it to negative 5. As the value of b was 3, so we'll write 3 whole squared plus a is equals to minus 5. So a will be is equals to minus 5. And this will come over here and become a plus 3 squared, which is 9. So a will be equals to 4. So we can write a final expression as 4 minus x minus b. So the value of b is 3. So this will become 4 minus x minus 3 whole squared. In part 4, we have to state the smallest value of k for which g has an inverse. So now as x is greater than equals to k and it has a max turning point at 3, 4. So to find the smallest value of k, which is a value of x, now we know from the expression that the turning point is 3, 4. So as this is a turning point and it is moving forward from over here, for it to have an inverse, it must be a one-to-one function. So the smallest value of k it can have is 3. So in this part, the value of k will be equals to 3. In part 5, we have to find, for this value of k, we have to find an expression for g inverse. Now to find the inverse of a quadratic function, it is important that we convert it to the complete square form. Now, as you already have the expression 4 minus x minus 3 whole squared, so we know that g of x is equals to 4 minus x minus 3 whole squared. So we'll write y over here is equals to 4 minus x minus 3 whole squared. To find the inverse, we'll first exchange the values of x and y. So this will become x equals to 4 minus y minus 3 whole squared. Bring the y minus 3 on the left hand side to make it positive, and we'll bring the 4x on the other side. So this will become 4 minus x. Taking the square root on both the sides, we'll get y minus 3 is equals to 4 minus x square root. And finally, making y our subject, this will be y equals to square root of f minus 4 minus x plus 3. So finally, we can write our expression for g inverse of x as square root of 4 minus x plus 3.